Have you ever wondered how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what show you want to watch next? Or how online stores suggest products you didn't even know you needed? The magic behind it all is something called data mining. So, what exactly is it? Think of it as being a digital detective, sifting through mountains of data to find hidden clues and valuable secrets. Data mining is a crucial part of a bigger field called data analytics. It's the process where organizations take massive amounts of raw, messy data and transform it into golden insights. These insights are what help businesses make smarter decisions and shape their entire strategy. Analysts use a powerful toolkit of statistics, machine learning algorithms, and special software to dig deep into the data. They're on the hunt for trends, connections, and anything unusual that you wouldn't spot at first glance. For instance, a retail company might use data mining to understand what products customers often buy together. This could lead them to place those items next to each other in the store to boost sales. Banks use it to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, protecting your money. And in healthcare, it can even help predict disease outbreaks based on patterns in patient data. The process itself is quite systematic. It starts with collecting all the necessary data. Then comes a really important step, data cleaning. Just like cooking with fresh ingredients, you need clean, accurate data for good results. If the data is messy or incorrect, the final conclusions will be wrong. Once the data is prepped and ready, the real mining begins. Techniques like classification, which sorts data into categories, or clustering, which groups similar items together, are applied to extract those valuable patterns. So, why do companies invest so much in data mining? The benefits are huge. It helps them understand you, the customer, on a much deeper level. This understanding leads to better products, personalized marketing, and an overall improved experience. It also helps businesses cut costs by identifying inefficiencies and reduce risks by predicting potential problems before they happen. From finance and retail to marketing and healthcare, data mining is the engine driving better performance and innovation. In short, data mining is a powerful tool that turns data into knowledge. In our data-driven world, the ability to uncover hidden patterns and generate actionable insights gives businesses a massive competitive edge. It's how they stay ahead of the curve and continue to deliver what we want, sometimes even before we know we want it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. See you in the next one.